Alright, welcome back to Gbpusd FX, and in this video I'll be analyzing I'll be giving a multi time frame analysis on Gbpusd to help us for the week. Alright, so as we can see, the market have been in a serious downtrend. Okay, it has been in a serious downtrend, and we have actually been selling for a very long time now. Okay, but for the past few weeks, I mean the weekly time frame, for the past few weeks, we can see that the market have been in a strong zone, a strong consolidatory zone. All right, down here you can see the market have just been in a consolidation, but this past week, the market actually broke this consolidation. All right, with a strong candle. It broke this the consolidation, so we are actually expecting that this consolidation, this candle that broke the consolidation, can actually continue if the strength of the bulls are higher in the subsequent weeks. All right, but we can't just speculate that and just jump into the market. We need to look at some other things in the market. As you can see, the market is in a very strong psychological level. All right, it's in a very strong psychological level from the weekly time frame. As we can see from this area here, as we can see from this area here, this one is a very strong psychological level here. Okay, so and when we come over to this other side, we are seeing a very strong moves. Okay, so we'll look at it from a lot of different standpoints. Okay, if we take a trend line from the top here, we can see this from the weekly time. Okay, this is from the weekly time. Then we can as well see that the market has come to this level to pick up some liquidity and strength to continue the downtrend. All right, since it was not broken, we can put a line here. We have another zone right here. Okay, so we'll go down to the daily time frame to see exactly what is happening in the daily time, what is moving the market in the daily time. Okay, but before we do that, I want us to add the fib. All right, I'm going to add the fib to check for our retracement from the weekly time frame. All right, so from the weekly time point, okay, this is what we have from the weekly time frame. Please don't mind me. This is what we have from the weekly time. So you see, we are actually approaching the 38.2 level. All right, so our target for a retracement should be around 38.2 level. That means by implication we are still on a buying market. We are still buying till that till we get to around 1.24583. around that zone. We should be expecting a sell around that zone. Okay, that's what we should be expecting from the weekly time frame. So we won't move the this thing again. So we're going to go down to the daily time, trend. Okay, as you can see, the market created some kind of double bottom and a neck region, and you can see it right here. The market went this way, back down, and it's now going up again. And as you can see, it has broken the neckline. Okay, it has broken the neckline. It broke it with a strong candle. Okay, it broke it with a strong candle, so the neckline has been broken. So we are now expecting that the market hits this zone, though I don't know why the retracement in the weekly time frame is saying okay, we are going to be retracing back at this zone here. Let me change the color of it. At this zone, that's what the weekly time frame is telling us, that okay, that's where you should be hoping for a retracement. But we are as well seeing some kind of a resistance zone, or a zone here, a correction on this zone. We're actually seeing a correction on this zone too. This zone here, we are seeing a correction. So we are expecting the market for you to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna put a box there. I'm gonna box that zone, this zone here now. So if the market enters this zone, you should be considering to take profit. If you're already in this market, you should be considering to take profit. But we are expecting that retracement to happen. All right, if the market is gonna retrace, okay, the market is gonna retrace back into the neck region. So we are expecting the market to come back inside here, all right, from that zone to this other zone. So from the daily time point, this is what we are expecting. Okay, this is what we are expecting. And here, this is it. This is what we are expecting that the market should do. So we are expecting that the market should come back inside this zone. Let me change the color of this. We're expecting it to come back inside this zone. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. Right, there should be a blue, then is the arrow that I want to edit. Okay, the arrow, we are making it white. Okay, so that we can see it clearly. So the market is gonna come back to this zone. So once it gets into this zone, then we are expecting that the market will buy back again. We're expecting that the market, this is from the daily time frame, so we're expecting that the market should buy up again, up to probably this zone here, this zone. From the weekly time, let's go back to the weekly time and see something. Let's go back to the weekly time. Let's use our fib again. Let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool again. Let's use the fib again. Okay, let's see what the fib gives us. If we zoom, we can see it should be at the 68.1 level. So we should be expecting another retracement at that level, at that zone. So let me remove the fib again. We should be expecting, let's go down to the daily time. So we should be expecting a retracement along this zone back to the 50th level, So then we can now, start thinking of leaving the market for others to make some money from the market. So that's what we are expecting from the daily, the weekly, the daily. And let's check the 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time. You can see it is getting clearer from the 4 hours time frame. It's getting clearer. This is a block. There's another block there that we are looking at. Okay, there's another block. Okay, there's another block we are looking at there. Okay, a very strong resistance zone. So we are expecting the market to hit into that resistance zone. As you can see, the candle there that is forming is a very strong candle, so we are expecting it to hit this level, the level we've mapped out. Then once it hits the level we've mapped out, then we can now anticipate a sell, then a buy. So that is that for GBPUSD. So you can go down to the lower time frame to see what is actually happening in the lower time frame. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.